Hi, so today we've just had in the Isabella Asa Sun Canopy. So you'll have to excuse us, it's a bit of an off-the-cuff video. I haven't got my microphone on today, so I don't know how good the sound's going to be. But this has literally just come in. We think this is a great sun canopy, so we're just going to see if we can put it on the van and see exactly how easy it is to do. So in the package you get some upright poles, some pegs and guy lines, the fiberglass poles to go into the canopy, and the canopy fabric itself. So let's take this out and see what we can do. So comes along with some nice eyelets which the king poles will go through, and also it's got the beading on it, which will slide directly into your van channel. So that's the Kadar beading strip that will slide right into the awning channel. We're just going to lay this one out. It's a little bit windy, so we may get caught out by the wind. So it's the fiberglass poles. Just slide in through a sleeve on the canopy. Through a piece in the middle. Down through the other sleeve. And into the pocket at the end. And then pick that one up, slip that one in the pocket there. I'll just put the other pole in as well. Right, I'm going to just turn this now so it's slightly inside out to get the pole in. Oh, that's going to be a bit of a challenge. Like so. And then it just flips in round the other way. We're now going to just flip it over. Nice and easily slides onto the van. There we go, so you just need to position that where you want it. We're going to grab ourselves a hammer, a guy line for over there, adjustable poles, so a nice little clip on there to adjust out. So we'll just set those two to the same size. Grab a couple of pegs, they come with some nice sturdy pegs. One pole up there. Guy line over the top. faithful hammer. And the next one. Guy line over the top. Adjust the guy line. There we go, it's all nicely pegged in. So there we have it, nice sun canopy. As you see, just really nice and easy to put up. It's about 2.5 meters square, so it gives a nice lot of sun protection on the side of the van. Something nice, quick and easy if you just want either a sun canopy, overnight stay, or something like that. Yeah, we really like that. That's going to be really good, ideal for your sort of small camper vans and things. Yeah, if you like what you've seen, then please take a look at our website, which is www.outabout.uk, and visit our YouTube channel, which is outabout.uk. Please hit subscribe and like, and there we have it, the Isabella Asa Sun Canopy. Thanks guys.